just take this. Take your tips. Well, I'll give you money. I don't care. I'll just
All right.
I'm live.
Yep.
Hi guys, it's Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com. We're gonna wait a minute or two. We got people on live.
Nobody yet.
Okay. Oh, is there? Do I not yet?
Nobody's on yet. That's what I'm saying. Now somebody's on.
All right, guys. I just want to wait for a couple people to get on, and then as soon as there's just a few viewers, what I'll do is share my testimony. God put on my heart to share my testimony today. Something really stupid, but sometimes it's just the stupid things that we do that hinder us from God's blessing. I don't know, or I mean, what's the Bible say? My people perish for lack of knowledge, and sometimes people perish because they're out and out rebellious. And so I did something that I don't know. I'll just get into it and talk about it. After I had the baby, my heart failed. And when I found out my heart failed officially, like my ejection fraction was low, I got real serious about working out, and I had already been strict low carb from the day the baby was born, so my eating habits didn't really change, but I got way more strict about exercising. And I lost 10 pounds in a month, okay? Which is huge for me because my weight never comes off that fast. I know I have customers that lose 10 pounds in a week, but like I said, that'll never be me, ever. Like if I lose 2 pounds in a week, I will jump up and down. That's how happy I get. Okay, so anyway, one of the things God put on my heart was not to buy any clothes until I lost all my weight. Okay, simple command, pretty clear, I knew I should obey that. Well, I was in love with those sports skirts that everybody was wearing over the summer. And one day I was at Sam's, and those sport skirts were on sale. They were like normal $50, and they were on sale for like 11 or 12. And I remember I even was telling one of my girls, I'm like, I've been looking for these for months, and now they're on sale. But God put on my heart, don't buy any clothes until you lose weight or whatever. And then
how are we gonna serve those customers?
I'll be right with you guys. I'm sorry, honey. I'll be right with you guys. Okay.
Grace left.
So that was what God put on my heart. And I told my daughter, I'm like, but these are on sale and clearance. And my daughter was like, oh, Mom, you never buy anything for yourself, and these are on clearance. It's just God's way of blessing you. Which, in any other circumstance, I would have said, yes, it is. But God made it clear to me not to buy clothes until I lost my weight. So I bought those skirts, and guess what? I haven't lost a pound since. So I guess I'm on here just to say sometimes it's not, it has nothing to do with what we're eating or working out or whatever. It's just sometimes God's trying to get our attention, and if we're obsessing over our weight and He knows He can get our attention through it, that's one way He's going to get our attention. So that's my confession. If you guys have any recipes you want me to make for you or anything you're curious about, go ahead and message me, comment below, and I'll try to make a recipe for that. And I just hope and pray that this blesses someone and causes someone to walk holy before the Lord, because I really regret what I've done. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. God bless you.
I never do anything wrong.